Hi students, you are welcome back to Tindenius Teaching Tutorials. Okay, we talked more about centripetal force. Yes, and now let's talk about centrifugal force. Centrifugal force. Centrifugal force. Okay, it's like you are there, I'm also there. No matter how good you are, by all means you may get some enemies somewhere. Are you okay? So it means you may have a good side and what? And a bad side. Please, are you okay? It's more or less like as you are moving or you are trying to forge ahead, some people also wants to bring you back or down. The same also applies to this centripetal force. Remember I told you that we have, let's say, a circle with a center O. Then we have a body here. So this body is trying to perform or is undergoing the circular motion. Remember I told you that the centripetal force conventionally or by convention will always point to the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Now as this centripetal or as this angular type of force, that is the centripetal force, is trying to bring or force the body to the center, this body wants to also react back. Please, are you okay? So it means as it wants to move towards the center, another force is trying to make it deviate from its original trajectory. Please, are you okay? So now, so this is centripetal force is trying to bring it here. It's trying to point the body towards the center of the circle, and this body will also try to react back. Remember, Newton's third law of motion states that to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So in other words, action and reaction are equal but opposite. Please, are you okay? So we can say that the centripetal force here is the action and the reaction is the centrifugal force. But note, these two forces will always come into play when a body is performing a circular motion. So as the centripetal force is directing it towards the center, centrifugal force will also want to move it this way. Are you okay? In other words, it wants to make, or it will make the body deviate from pointing towards the center. That is the job of the centrifugal force. Are you okay? So it helps move the body away from what? From the center of the circle. Please, are you okay? But please note, centripetal force and centrifugal force are the same in magnitude. Please, are you okay? But they don't cancel each other. In other words, they don't balance each other. In other words, they don't nullify each other. Why don't they cancel each other? Centripetal force and centrifugal force do not cancel each other because they don't occur simultaneously. They don't occur at the same time. It means one will come after the other. Please, are you okay? So the strong, I want to make this strong assertion to you. The assertion is, whenever a body is performing a circular motion, two forces come into play, and those two forces, they are the angular forces. That is centripetal force and centrifugal force. It is the intention of the centripetal force to always keep this body towards the center of the circular part, and there is another angular force trying to what? Trying to move this body away from the center of the circular part, and that is what we call what? The centrifugal force. Please, are you okay? Because they don't occur at the same time, they don't nullify each other. You can be asked this question. That is that. So please, so this is the end of the lesson. Thank you. Subscribe and like my videos for more interesting videos. Thank you. See you next time.